Good day, everyone. Right now we are headed out to the beach. It's kind of loud. Say hi, Jenny.
Hey, cheers!
Cheers! Say hi, guys. We are the wild ones. Say drink. Say Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so we made it to Huntington Beach.
I don't even want to went to.
A prickly one.
All natural.
All natural, that's how we do it.
I hate you guys.
Anyways, getting attacked by seagulls. Alright guys, so we are having lunch now. I got us sandwiches. How's the sandwich?
Good?
Yeah, it's like a local sandwich shop. Delicious.
That's salad. Yeah.
It's such a beautiful.
Disneyland.
It is cheaper. But it's such a beautiful day, guys. Perfect. Like it's like nice and cool where you can like, you know, tan and not feel burnt. Perfection. But I got us, and I also got us a salad, which I'm about to eat. It's called like a Chinese something, but there's like Mandarin in it. So yeah, we're gonna eat and just enjoy the day. Alright guys, so we have made it to Laguna Beach.
Yes, we did.
I feel like the reality show.
Oh, and it's a beautiful. We're
so
just
gorgeous.
south of LA. Okay,
We are south of LA.
Down the
Dude,
PC8.
Yeah, what a gorgeous drive, guys.
Okay.
Except for that lady, I don't think she agreed so well.
Of course.
Oh my god, wow, the wind's a lot calmer, guys. I like it.
Of course.
I like it. Oh my god, yes, gorgeous. Gorgeous beach. Yayers. What are your thoughts?
It's beautiful, dude.
It is beautiful here. The sun's about to set. This beach is a lot nicer, I feel like. Okay, we're gonna step down. We're going down, we're going down. Yes, driving down here was so beautiful. Just like on the Pacific Coast Highway was just amazing. Amazing. Beautiful drive. She has to go pee. She has to go pee.
Alrighty.
She has to go pollute the ocean.
I'll pee with the whole another ecosystem.
Oh.
I feel more one with the ocean when
One
you
with the ocean.
defecate in it.
Oh god. How's the water?
Oh, that's
That's
nice.
ocean water. Oh, it's actually pretty cold. Oh my god, that's pretty cold. Rylan, what are you gonna do today then?
I'm gonna play with my toys.
Oh my gosh, where are we going today then?
On the beach today.
And then you got some new beach toys?
Yeah.
Let me see, what did you get? Is that a shovel? And you got buckets? Who got it for you?
Wait, I got 2 buckets.
Oh my gosh, okay, we're gonna go to the beach.
Hey! This one for you. Oh, really?
Okay. Alright guys, so we have made it to the beach once again, but this time we have everybody here with us. Oh my god, it feels like weird on my sands, on my toes. Hi Izzy Wizzy. Say hi, are you excited you're at the beach?
Hi, I forgot that you're vlogging.
Uh-huh, are you excited you're at the beach?
Oh, what's that?
She forgot that I vlogged. Yeah, alright girl, you know I vlog. Say hi. You guys didn't make it with us yesterday, but we're at the beach. Have you guys been to Huntington Beach before?
Yes.
Oh, they have. Okay, so it's not the first time they've been here. Hey, we're back at it once again. Once again.
For the 2 times.
Yeah, and we're gonna to become one again, right?
So what do you want to say?
To become one again.
To become one. I need somebody I can never
wait, is there a Baywatch over there or?
No, that would be me.
Wait, where are we going though? Say hi.
Hi.
You know, help Andy.
Rylan, hurry. Run. Are you at the beach, Rylan?
Yeah, we're at the beach.
Are you excited?
I'm running.
What you saw?
What did you
Saw seagulls?
Yeah,
They saw seagulls. I don't know if you can hear us. It's kind of loud. Run. 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 Yeah. Are you gonna go swimming?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Vacation.
Yeah.
Do you need
What are you making?
I'm making a hole so I can
Oh my
make seashells.
gosh. What is that?
Yeah.
A shell? You dug it up in the hole? Wow.
How big I'm making it, right?
Smile.
It's in here.
What are you finding? Wow. Rylan, what are you doing? You're making it what? You're making it water? What are you gonna bring the water to?
To the flower.
To the flower? Where's the flower?
Well, are you gonna bring it to the cow and them so you can feed, so the cow can drink them?
Yeah, where's the cow at? How about you bring it to the birds? Two, let's see. One.
Smile.
Ah, it's cold. Is it cold? It's really cold. Go get water. Get the water. Oh god, the seaweed. What is that? It's a monster.
Did you carry it? Cody, I'm going back. I know everybody said I'm on this phone.
Oh, I like the color of that. See-through, too. She's in the cool section.
I need my water, please. We're going to Beyonce's castle,
Are you guys ready?
but we have Ryland, which is like the blue one.
Oh, I see.
It's Ryland's castle. That's like
How
Have you
about
heard
this
of
week?
Sandcastle from Beyonce? Well, this is what I'm building,
Oh, okay.
but it's Ryland's castle.
Alright. What do you have to say about this day?
It's fun. Every day.
Just fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tiring.
Alright.
Daddy wants
What about today?
Fun.
Oh.
How about this week? Vacation.
Awesome.
It was awesome? Yeah?
Did you have fun at your birthday?
Yeah, and then what else?
Can I grab
What'd you do for your birthday? There's nothing in there.
That's for the water. Ryland, what'd you do for your birthday?
Oh, she doesn't know. Okay.
Oh,
What do you
I
guys
know
have
her
to say about
birthday,
this
too. That's what it was.
vacation? Both of you guys, I guess.
It's been good. Disneyland's not all that, but it's been fun.
Sheena, stay right here.
Did you guys go back?
Not to Disneyland, probably to California Adventures, that's for sure.
Okay. How about you?
It was here.
Okay. What do you have to say about this vacation?
Nice and quiet.
What do you have to say about this vacation?
It's been fun, but I'm ready to go home.
Ready to go home?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Did miss
Are
West.
you? Are you ready to go back to work?
No, because I still have another 5 days, so.
Oh, what?
I don't go back till the
Damn.
3rd.
You should have went like across the country.
I know, that's what I was thinking too.
12 days off.
What does this girl have to say about her vacation?
Oh, it's been really
You started-
exactly what I needed.
You started way earlier than like us. You went to Coachella, girl.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I'm just doing exactly what I need to do.
Yeah, like living the life you were meant to live, right?
Exactly.
All right, loves it.
Just gonna get back to it.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah. What did you do this vacation?
Keep it rolling.
Too much.
You've been on the phone the whole entire time.
I know. I miss home.
Oh, okay. This vacation has been amazing. I'm just like usually just, it's on a whole new level when you're with like a group. That's all I gotta say.
Definitely overwhelming.
Overwhelming. Like, it's overwhelming because usually when I'm by myself, that's good.
Yeah, so you
But now
tell
it's just,
yourself, in the background.
but it's been amazing just to like get away with different group, a different dynamic.
Yes.
It was different. It's, you just had to adjust. But I met T on this trip, so that's
Yes, I did, and I've been having fun ever since.
Hey.
Yes, 2018, right here. Girls Gone Wild.
Well, since Girls
Wasn't that
Gone
this morning too.
Alright guys, so it is our last day here in Anaheim. We are headed home today. We're gonna say, are you sad we're going home or are you ready?
Ready?
We're eating leftovers from
Oh my
last
god,
night.
every time you vlog, I'm eating one.
I know. We're all eating. We ordered a bunch of KFC last night and we have leftovers. And we threw a bunch away, so. Are you sad or excited to go home?
I'm ready to go home.
Ready to go home? Ready to go home. Alright, goodbye kitchen. Goodbye Keurig. Goodbye fridge. We're stocked up. Now it's all empty. Goodbye table. Goodbye bathroom. Which everybody did their poopies in here. And goodbye fireplace that we never used, but the lights never turned off, so. Goodbye stairs. Goodbye bathroom. We all shared you. Used and abused you. Goodbye amazing shower. Goodbye Anthony and Brittany and Ryland's room. Goodbye Ginny and Soraya's room. Goodbye my room that I had to share with my sister. And this was freaking annoying. That. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, right there. So annoying. That is not a light. That's like the sunlight. Like the sun. It's the outside light that shines through, so you can't even turn it off. Holly was asleep when it's on like that. Anyways, it was very annoying. Goodbye couch that fit like 10 people. And this is all of our stuff out here. Yes, all of our luggage. Little swing bench. Barbecue grill that we used for like 10 minutes. And our little grass area, sitting area, lounge area. Goodbye waterfall, fountain thingy. Goodbye fire pit. Oh my gosh, did I show you guys our van? That's our van, by the way, that we rented.
Hey!
Never thought I'd drive a van, but I did. Alright guys, so we made it to this ice cream parlor. We're getting dragon breath. Am I dark? Ryland's still in her PJs right now. Can I see your PJs? You're still in your PJs. Are you embarrassed? People see you in your PJs. Uh-oh. No shame. Take a bite. Oh, it's came on your nose. Is it cold?
Oh, something like that.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a bite of the dragon breath. Oh. Cold. Cold. It is like Fruity Pebbles. Come out of her nose.
She went. I got one!
You did.
It does taste like, yeah, Fruit Loops.
Don't dip too much in it because it will feed up.
Wow, that looks so cool. Alright guys, so we have made it to the airport here at Long Beach, and I am doing a leg day right now. I'm cycling, as you can see, while charging my phone at the same time, while everybody over there is eating away, you know, always eating, the family. Right? Hi. Are you ready to go home?
No.
No, she's not ready to go home. But yeah, so we have about 30 minutes till we board the aircraft. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait for further adventures to come. And yeah, I've had so much fun with my family here traveling to SoCal. I just want to say I love you guys, and I will see you guys sooner than later. Bye!